Hey guys, I'm back again on your screen. So from my last video, a lot of people dropped their comments that they need videos on graduate applications and all that, and I was like, oh fine, I'll find time and research and then provide you with content which has to do with graduate admissions and graduate assistantships, merit scholarships and all that. So I have here with me two schools that are actually giving out scholarships upon acceptance. They are also giving out merit scholarships, graduate assistantships as well. And these graduate assistantships comes with a full tuition waiver, monthly stipends. Yeah. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Peregrino. I'm a content creator and a study abroad consultant. You can subscribe to my channel by tapping on the subscription button below, and then don't forget to turn on post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get started.
Okay, so the first university is called East Tennessee State University. It's a public research university in Johnson City, Tennessee. All right, and the acceptance rate is 87%. Okay, the acceptance rate to the school is 87%. Let's look at the programs. Okay, but before this, their website, a very beautiful website, etsu.edu/ehome/. Okay, that's /. All right, so their programs. They have a lot of programs here for graduate students. That's the master's program. Okay, so they have the accountancy with concentration in auditing. They have accountancy with controllership, and they also have accountancy with taxation. Okay, they have educational leadership, public administration, economic development, and public concentration. They have the public administration with concentration in government, applied data science, a whole lot of them. We can't mention it all. All right. So we don't want to waste much time. So let's check on a few other programs to see their graduate admission requirements. So you check on brand and media strategy, and MA history, and let me see what else. Okay, I think this two is enough. It's okay. So let's check on brand and media strategy. So with a brand and media strategy, let's look at the program requirements. So you need a statement of purpose. You need recommendation letters, 3 academic or professional recommendation letters. You need a portfolio and a research paper. It can be a writing sample from your undergrad degree program or your thesis. Okay, let's look at the deadline. The deadline for international applicants is 1st of May. It means we still have time to put in an application to East Tennessee State University. Let's look at the second program. That's MA history. Okay, so the requirement is a bachelor's degree from an accredited institution, at least 3.0 grade points average in upper level history courses. You of course need recommendation letters, 3 of them from history instructors, okay, preferably. All right, and you need to write an essay. That's a 250 to 300 words. That's the statement of purpose. Okay, so this school called East Tennessee State University has a program for admission on a rolling basis, so you can consider East Tennessee State University. But before that, I'd like us to delve into the international scholarships. Okay, we are much more interested in that as well. So they have a merit scholarship. Merit scholarship ranges between $5,000 to $10,000 per academic year. So if you have a CGPA of 3.0 or above, when you apply to this school, upon acceptance, you are automatically considered or awarded a scholarship. Okay, that's the merit scholarship. If you're so lucky, you are being given the GA or the TS. So I would advise applicants to communicate with their department chair, showing their interest in graduate assistantship positions or tuition scholarship. Okay, so what's the difference between graduate assistantship positions and tuition scholarship? So I'll further explain it to you here. So with the graduate assistantship positions, okay, so it reads Across the university, unit offers graduate assistantship opportunities. Graduate assistants can either work in teaching, research, or administrative roles depending upon the position. Graduate assistants receive tuition assistant and monthly stipends for 9 months. So it means that if you are considered for graduate assistant opportunity, you receive monthly stipends as well as tuition waiver. But if you are considered for tuition scholarship, let's see what it's written here. It reads here. So the white on the blue background, the white selection on the blue background reads, many programs are able to offer tuition scholarship. So it means most of the programs, about 90% of the programs at East Tennessee State University offers tuition scholarship. So before you start your application, I would like you to email or mail your graduate chair, letting them know your interest in tuition scholarship or graduate assistantship opportunities. So many programs are able to offer tuition scholarship to new students. Tuition scholarship recipients have a service obligation of 120 hours per semester or about 8 hours per week. Tuition scholarships offer tuition assistance but no monthly stipends. Okay, so here is the difference. So a lot of people do apply to East Tennessee State University and they are being awarded tuition scholarship and they are good to go. It covers their tuition and that's fine. But if you're so lucky and you are being awarded graduate assistant opportunity, then it means that it will cover your tuition and on top of it, you can be paid or you will be paid between $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Okay, so let's look at the website where they post the graduate assistantship positions on. So this link, I'll drop the link of this website in the video description below so you can click on them so you get easy navigation through the website. All right, so we have 3 assistantship positions they posted here on the website for now. And I will tell you that on this website of ETSU where they post the graduate assistantship positions from March 15th to July, mid-July, getting to ending of July, they post a lot of assistantship opportunities here. So it means that a lot of positions will be posted here. So it will be updated, day by day. So you need to keep your eye on this website so that you can apply to any of these assistantship positions if you are granted offer of admission to ETSU. So let's look at this position. They only have one position available from August 15, 2023 to May 15, 2024. And you only need your cover letter and your CV or whatsoever to apply to us. So here's it. Please email resume and cover letter to this email. And I believe you hear from them. If you have a good resume, cover letter, trust me, you are good to go. But before you apply to these assistantships, you should have an offer to study with ETSU. Okay, so these are the positions. Okay, you can apply to them. So here it states that submit cover letter, resume, and list of 3 references to the said email. The third one also, let's scroll down and see. So the third one also states that submit cover letter, resume, and list of 3 references to the said email. So this school actually called East Tennessee State University in Tennessee, the city of Johnson, has a lot of scholarship for international students. And if you have a CGPA or a GPA of 3.0, trust me, send an application to this school and you get a merit scholarship. And on top of it, if you're so lucky, you can get a tuition scholarship or graduate assistantship position. All right. University of North Alabama. Okay, so University of North Alabama is a public university in Florence, Alabama, and the acceptance rate, of course, is 90%. Here's it, 90%. And decision making on admission takes between 2 to 3 weeks, maximum 3 weeks. You should hear from the school concerning your admission decision. So let's look at their website. So this is a very beautiful website of University of North Alabama in Florence, Alabama. Okay, so let's look at the academic program. So here on the academic program website, you can always filter for your programs. Okay, so you can filter for online programs, and here are the online programs. You can take these programs from home. If you are a worker or whatsoever, you don't want to visit campus, you want to take this program from home, that's fine. But if you want to be on campus, you click on campus, you click on graduate, and it will filter out all programs that are offered on campus. Also, here are the programs. So let's check on a few other programs as well. So let me check on security and safety leadership. I just want us to check if most of these programs do require of GRE or GMAT, because I know this school doesn't require GRE or GMAT for admission decision, neither a TOEFL nor IELTS. So here's it. If you are from an English-speaking country, you don't need that. So here's it. Let's go down. So admission requirements. You only need bachelor's degree or equivalent, GPA of 2.0 or higher on a scale of 4. No GMAT required. So my brother, my sister, don't waste my time. Just turn in an application for that, and believe me, within 2 to 3 weeks, you hear from the school. So that's a Master's of Professional Studies. Let's scroll down and check on the admission requirements as well. So you of course need a transcript, and it also says that no GRE or GMAT is required. So GRE, GMAT is not required. Okay. Moving on, I will discuss with you the scholarship opportunities this school has in stock for international students who are newly admitted into the school. Okay, so before that, let's look at the international student admission requirements. So you need to apply with your official transcript, official diploma. If you have statement of purpose, a passport info page, bank statements. Some schools do not require of international students to upload their bank statement, but this school is saying that before you apply, you need to upload your bank statement. You need to pay application fee, and the test score, if you are from English-speaking country, you don't need any IELTS or TOEFL or whatsoever. And you are so lucky they are waiving off GRE or GMAT with some programs. And the 4 semesters deadline ends on 1st June, and we are in March. You still have more time to submit an application, but you don't have to waste much time. You can submit an application as soon as possible, and you hear from them between 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, let's check on the assistantship positions they have for us. So here, graduate assistantships. All right, so graduate assistantships and funding opportunities are available for graduate students at the University of North Alabama. Assistantships provide professional, experiential opportunities that enhance your education and complement your studies through research, instruction, or administrative assignments. Graduate assistantship may include a tuition benefit and monthly stipends. View available assistantships on the Lion Job. So if you get an offer to study with this school, you just come here, you click on Lion Jobs, and you log in with your credentials here. Okay, and you're good to go. So I like to show you an offer letter of an applicant who applied to University of North Alabama, stating his scholarship on the offer letter. So kindly stay with me whilst I show you the offer letter. So this is the offer letter of the said applicant, which I've read the name here, of course. It was an offer letter on 19 May 2022. So it reads, I am pleased to inform you that your application to the University of North Alabama has been approved by the International Admission Committee. Your approved field of study is Masters of Professional Studies in Security and Safety Leadership. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go here. You're interested in the scholarship. All right. So as an international student, you will receive the following scholarships. 4,152 Global Learning Community Housing Scholarship that covers a 12-month double occupancy with specific requirements. 5,000 academic scholarship per academic year, equally distributed in fall and spring with full-time enrollment. These scholarships are renewable based on UNA academic performance and cannot be combined with other UNA scholarships. So if you gain admission to this school, you automatically get this scholarship. Okay.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscription button below and then turn on post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll catch you again later in the next video.